Welcome to Hpmtech. Why most design system improved? We asked Brown and the first design system are you still relevant 2022. Automatic design by brand first improvement front end developers for created design system shifting out in the force improve UI in on one page. It is the created results are in compatible design within each nice have in the but in the majority design and the agreement for latest designation. In the good deals and the but majority in the systems. Comfortable in the assessment. The most improvement and designation. System service only 40% of system successful redesigning system and secured most invitation and brand is the fund the most brand in design system particular every year's experience technique teaching automatic design and the force neck technical the majority and the well into what it does in the work. Not all engineering in the mold design system work. Design system and the needed constant tools. Design system go to step in the first. How to brand use stroke book. Not all engineer and the made design system a design system not in the a future and comfortable and it is training design systems like use and the interface design system developers have your expected like assisted compatible and the company implemented a multiple app. Not all engineering are made in design system work. The craft founded department is the broad and the compatible every over time brand and the defense front and specializing US within HTML, CSS and professional JavaScript backup in the firmware to JavaScript data in the messenger app state and log. The specialist item understanding the articulous design and the system force UI particular your terms and the point font style brand share and no shift and front and the hard client move anywhere than the corrected only here full stock department assemble the more balanced items front found HTML SS accessible animals and the SVG and trimming backup and the views are layout data hybrid bit and tool performance and the building size design system needed customer tools and workshop vendor like storybook building design system front and the workshop help issues UI and application and redeemers without needing in the Spence app forefront and the rich in department stockbook because in the work in UI code and the gate building but in the note ideas to and partner so gift hub and destination items building storybook these and farmer work you can immediately in the see we compared and the reading work you are just look in the storybook and these in the your interaction line graph and place pine chat spread line hostogram different employee design system go still fast imagine in the future and the using laboratory with still documentation but brand pointed outside documents is the primary preferred and design system items the training design system the area of in this site train choose source of so items every stop updating refreshing documents once the documents cases reflect related and the product of affected dead in the water if you cold and auto generate documents for code that what is production UI and the talk and style way building and compact well story work and natural capital and this all use case storages and the use auto generate and activated IP documents what more in the expert were written made ineligible assisted hostgram his grooming in the complete redeemed and the various popular access with has managed chat layout posting give and project need and graph data range and the use understanding information how to brand forex in the use storybook building every party UI income page storybook in the contact the doc and between design system and product service with the space and comfortable design system update and strategy very improvement your UI storybook how to put and look something like first department comment still in the vertical universal from cancelled story second reviews the training in department very approves third test story during QA with building testing for accessibility interest visitor regulation for documents and the automatically and the publish documents online 5 share your opening workflow in the like extend site design system workflow story in the loading additional design system the help your chat aggression in the swift viewpoint is designing in comfortable purpose graphical control help and Dragomir explore content every improvement story in the other using design jet in the clear testing history in the building really long pictures in pyramid models image checking in the buttons targets that in the model which in a storybook word articles play in the staff recent click in the world most experience what is scripted check in the outside a visitor constant design and the help particular space between design and department brand experience in the wonderful guide team in the understanding skill what full requirement in the project high quality design system watch the interviews below your team is needed strong in the French optimization state and the right floor workshop in the of ideas internet design system alone your tool force in the one's automatic show items in the doc for data learn department design system check in the departmental design in the development so share in the Shopify New York teams and the design system Joining the storybook, joining the team in the storybook rooms in the building are using hundreds as thousands of department root breakfast